So 12th standard physics volume 2 unit 6 ray optics. So first question, what is angle of deviation due to reflection? What is angle of deviation due to what? Reflection. So the answer is in the page number 2. So in the page number 2 we can see that angle of deviation due to reflection. So another term is also there. So in the 15th page we can see angle of deviation due to refraction. Don't confuse yourself. Refraction means the ray which is refracted by the medium. Okay, so this is what refracted ray, refraction. But our question is, what is the angle of deviation due to reflection? So reflection one term, refraction is another term. Both are completely different. Don't confuse it. This is the answer. What? Okay, so the bracket, the thing is the answer. The angle between the direction of incident ray and reflected ray is called angle of deviation due to reflection. Okay, so write this paragraph and draw this diagram. So xy is the plane. Okay, so oa is the incident ray. Okay, the light ray start from A and fall on the surface O and reflected back to B. So if it is not reflected undeviated means it goes in the C direction. Okay, so this is the normal incidence to the plane, so reference line. So how much angle is the falling on the surface is I. So how much angle with respect to the normal line reflected with respect to the normal line is R. So in this case I is equal to R. So that's why. So the undeviated ray, what is the AC, isn't it? So 180 degree. So that's what d is equal to completely 180 degree. So this one is 1i, this one is 1i, so 2i. So 1d is equal to 180 minus 2i is the answer. So this is what d is equal to 1 minus 2i is the answer. So see that your heading is should be angle of deviation due to reflection. So write the paragraph. The angle between the direction of incident ray and reflected ray is called angle of deviation due to reflection. D is equal to 180 minus 2i. This is the reference station in the exam. Okay, that's what I'm writing this for example only. Okay, exam scenario. So this is the plane which we saw in the diagram. So OA. So OA is the, after writing this diagram, below the diagram, OA incident light or ray, OB reflected light or ray, OC is a undeviated ray. Okay, so in this case I is equal to R. That's why. See the picture here. So totally 180 degree. So completely 360 degree. So half means 180 degree. We know that. So I plus I. R in this case I is equal to R. So I is equal to R. So here is also considered as I. So I plus I 2i. So 180 degree minus 2i. So this angle. This is the angle which is represented the ray of light deviated, reflected, okay, or deviated by the medium. Okay, so this is the surface. This is that of deviation due to reflection. So this much angle is deviated. Okay, if it is not something like that, so see this ray is coming here. If it is not reflected, it go straight. So because of the plane, it goes to reflected like this. So this much angle is deviated. Okay, that is what. So the ray is coming from here and it immediately goes to like this. Okay, it comes from a point and reflected back to here. So if it is not undeviated means like this. So it is reflected. So actually like this. So this is the angle of deviation. Angle of deviation by the medium, by the plane of surface. Okay, so after write the paragraph and draw the diagram and draw the notations. That's all. Okay, here this explanation what is it. So 180 degree minus I minus or something what. So if it is go straight means 180 degree. So it is not go straight. So that is why. So totally 180 degree. So how much is deviated means just minus of this one. So this angle will be get. Okay, thank you.